It's a nice to go to the mountain after a long time. The air is so nice. What should we do today?
Yeah, what can I do in the mountain? Oh, look at that!
A huge branch? Take my knife. Old man, let's go up there. Slowly, slowly. Oh.
Let's throw this time. What are you doing?
Look.
Tick, tick, tick. It's a bird.
There's no bird's house. Let's throw a house. Nice bird's house.
This is a bird's house.
Live here. It's a real bird. Let's approach carefully. Oh, the bird must be lost.
I feel sorry for bird. Do you want us to make a bird house? Good, good. Let's make it now.
Nice.
Today's supplies, a box of snacks, woodworking grass, or space magic.
Let's stick on a huge branch.
Ta-da! Bird's house. Let's write bird names. Settlers living here. Live happily ever after. Don't forget us.